Hey guys, and welcome to the AvePoint Richmond tour. My name is Allie, and I'm going to be your tour guide today. Here you can see that we're in our foyer area, which is where our guests and visitors will hang out. And we have this really cool Pac-Man machine, which you can play while you're waiting for your meetings. So here you guys can see our very open floor plan, which is by design because we really value collaboration and teamwork here at AvePoint. And the space was designed by our COO and General Counsel, Brian Brown, and he really had the Richmond spirit in mind when it came to designing this space. So you will see Richmond elements scattered throughout, from the beautiful views to the names of our conference rooms, as well as the tech industry has really inspired the vibe of this office. Now, if you follow me through here, we have our kitchen area. So the kitchen is used obviously to have lunch together, but more importantly, it's for our Thursday happy hours where we get together and we have some drinks and some snacks and we just catch up on what's been going on that week and talk to our coworkers about our passions, both inside and outside of the office. We have a fully stocked fridge, which has sodas, sparkling water, and beers on those happy hour Thursdays. So something that I personally love about our office space is how bright and vibrant it is, and I think that this wall here is a great example of that. This is our graffiti wall, which was actually painted by a local Richmond artist, and you can see the AvePoint lettering kind of scattered throughout here. And then if you look over here, you can see the hand pulling the page back, which represents a new chapter, and every day is a fresh start to bring those new ideas to the table. All right, guys, here comes the fun part. So back here we have an area for basketball courts and ping pong, video games and bean bags. Lots of fun to be had here, whether it's shooting some hoops during happy hour or playing ping pong between closing those deals. This space was really designed with the employees in mind. We're hardworking, we're very agile, and it gives us that opportunity to reset and recharge when needed. All right, guys. Thanks for joining us in the Richmond AvePoint office virtual tour, and we'll catch you later.